Hello, I'm Jackson, Global Marketing Manager of Rabaconda, and I'm here today at A+ Power Sports in Elkhorn, Wisconsin to introduce to you a new highly anticipated product from us, our motorcycle wheel balancer. Ever since the launch of our now hugely popular street bike tire changer, we have had a huge amount of demand from our customers for a wheel balancer like this to go with it. We're happy to be able to introduce this to the market, and it's something that really changes the game in terms of a static wheel balancer. The first major differentiator or unique feature with our motorcycle wheel balancer is the HACS, or hand adjustable cone system. This unique addition to the traditional cone setup found on many other static wheel balancers makes for quick and easy wheel centering every time. The second unique feature and benefit of our motorcycle wheel balancer is the extremely durable set of stainless steel ball bearings. These are critical to the low friction environment that's needed when balancing a wheel, and the beefy construction will ensure that they'll last for years to come. The third major unique feature of our motorcycle wheel balancer is the included wall mount that you see right next to me and the versatility that it provides. Our balancer can of course be used on any sort of tabletop surface like what you see right here, but the included wall mount allows you to balance your wheels on the wall of a race trailer, a toy hauler, or really wherever you need to. The fourth really cool thing about our motorcycle wheel balancer is the compactness and portability of the unit overall. It wouldn't be a true Rabaconda product if it wasn't compact, lightweight, portable, easy to assemble and disassemble, and of course be able to fit into the convenient carry bag when it's not being used. In terms of compatibility, our motorcycle wheel balancer can work on wheels up to 21 inches in diameter and can be paired with any of the current Rabaconda street bike tire changer rear hub adapters should you have the need with your bike and wheel setup. Now available, our motorcycle wheel balancer is ready to help you make sure that your wheels are balanced every time you swap tires. Grab yours today and happy tire changing.